Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are reporting back live from CVS, and we are about to get into this week's all digital deals. So today we are going to be doing our coupon shopping using only our phones. No paper coupons. I love these videos because they are so much fun. So first, we're going to get started with a deal on the Olay. So since we're not using paper coupons, we're not going to do this buy 2 get 15 deal. Instead, I am going to grab one of these Olay facial cleansers, and I'm actually really excited to grab this item. So we're going to get one of these cleansers down here for $6.79. You could get this one. You could also get that one right there. They also have one that's in a tube somewhere, but I'm gonna grab this one right here. So this is $6.79. I have a $4 CVS coupon and a $2 digital coupon. That's gonna make this just 79 cents. We're gonna get into is on the all detergent. So these are $3.99 this week. We got a $1.50 digital coupon. That's gonna make this just $2.49. Now let's get into this Covergirl deal. So we are going to be doing the buy 2 get back 6 on Covergirl products. The first item I'm going to grab is this lip balm. Since we're using just digital coupons, I am going to grab one of these, and I'm going to use the $1 coupon on the coupons app. So I am going to buy this and then submit back to the coupons app for $1. It is $6.99. Then next I'm going to grab one of our lovely pencils for $6.59. We're going to be using the $2 digital coupon on this. So these two are going to total me up to $13.58. Loaded to my account, I have a $4 CVS coupon for Covergirl Cosmetics. And then for this baby right here, we're going to be using that $2 digital. At the register, we're going to pay $7.58. Then we're going to get back a $6 extra buck, and we're going to submit to the coupons app for $1. So we're getting back $7, making both of these just 58 cents. Next thing we're going to grab is the Nivea Lip Balm, since my store is out of the tins that are a moneymaker. If you're not familiar with the moneymaker deal, the Nivea cream tins are a $2.22 moneymaker because they're $1.39, and they're also included in the buy 2 get 5. So since my store does not have those, we're going to grab some free lip balm instead. So these are 2 for $5 as well, and also included in the buy 2 get 5. So we're going to buy 2, no coupons needed, and then you would pay 5, get back 5, making 2 of these completely free. Now, if you do have a $1 CRT for the Nivea Lip Care, add that into the mix. You can easily make these a $1 moneymaker. So buy the 2 for $5, use that $1 coupon, pay 4, get back 5, making these a easy $1 moneymaker. And then we're also going to grab some of these tree-free paper towels. So these are $4.99, buy one, get one free. And then we have a 3 off of 5 CVS coupon that you might have on your account. And I also have a $1 total home CRT that's attaching. So that's going to make these two just 49 cents each. We're going to pay 99 cents for both. The next thing I'm going to grab is this Crest 3D white with charcoal. So we grabbed these last week or the week before when they were double dipping with our coupons. They are double dipping once again, I believe, based on what's attaching in the app. We got a 5 off of 2 and a 2 off of 2 that is double dipping and attaching to these. These are on a spend 12 get 5 promotion, and they are priced at $5.99 in my store. So let me show you my breakdown. So these two will total us up to $11.98. With that 5 and that $2 digital coming off, that would leave us to pay just $4.98 at the register. Then we'll get back a $5 extra buck, making both of these completely free. Next thing I want to grab is some Colgate. So we got 2 different Colgate promotions going on that I want to get into this week. The first one is a spend 20 get back 10 on these more optic white, more bougie products. Y'all know I love this renewal, so anytime that I can do deals on this, I like to do it. I have a 5 off of 30 Colgate CBS coupon that we're gonna work into today's deal. So we're gonna grab one of these babies first. This is $9.29 in my store. Then we're also gonna be grabbing 2 of the toothbrushes. So let me push down here. We're gonna grab 2 of these toothbrushes that are $5.59. We're gonna grab 2 of those. They are also included. For this baby right here, we have a $3 digital. For the toothbrushes, we have a 4 off of 2. Then the next deal I'm going to do to go with that 5 off of 30 CRT so that we can get to that $30 mark is the spend 10 get 5. So I'm also going to be grabbing one of these Colgate Total Toothpaste. These are $4.39. We got a $1 digital. And I'm going to grab one of the mouth rinse. Those are $5.49. We got a $1 digital. All right, you guys. So this totals up to $30.35. So we are good to now use a 5 off of 30 CVS coupon. So it is very important because we got a lot of digitals that could attach to different products in here. I'm going to scan these digitals in the way that I want them to attach. So I'm going to scan this enamel toothpaste first because I want it to attach to that $3 digital. Then I'm going to scan these second. I want them to attach to that 4 off of 2 digital. Then I can go on ahead and scan these two products so they can attach their $1 digitals. If that all works out, fingers crossed, then I should pay $16.35 at the register and then get back $15 in extra bucks. That's going to make all 5 of these items just $1.35. And since we got the bougie products, $1.35 is not too bad. All right, you guys, so I'm about to go up and check out. I'm going to go to self-checkout and do 2 separate transactions because I don't want my threshold coupons to act up. So I'm going to do the Crest, the Olay, the Nivea, and the Covergirl and the All in one transaction by itself. And then I'm going to do my Colgate and this Tree Free in one transaction by itself. And each transaction I'll be using like $15 in extra bucks. So let's go check out and see how these deals work. All right, you guys, so let's go over those 2 transactions. They worked out pretty well. So here's the first one we did with the Olay, the All, the 2 Nivea Lip Balms, and the Crest and the Covergirl. So there is the Crest that did double dip just like I expected it to. And with those Crest coupons, those don't expire until 7:30 till the end of the month, I think. So if you want to hold on to those to see if we get a moneymaker deal with those, you can. But I'm just grabbing them to test them this week for free. But definitely keep that in mind that you can hold on to those coupons if you want to. There's our CoverGirl Digital, our Olay, the All. I also used a 5 off of 30 in this deal. Then I rolled in the $15 in extra bucks. That left my subtotal at 84 cents. So I paid out the 84 cents and then I did get back the $16 in extra bucks, 5 for the Crest, 6 for the CoverGirl, and then 5 for the Nivea. And I submitted back to the coupons app for $1. So we got back a total of $17 after paying out $15.84. That transaction was free plus $1.16 moneymaker. Next transaction we did the paper towels. So we got 2 packs of paper towels and then all of our Colgate items. So we did have one digital that did not apply in my transaction, and that was for the Colgate mouthwash. That $1 digital did not come off, but everything else came off, so I didn't even worry about the dollar. I used that 5 off of 30 and then the 2 CRTs for the paper towels. I rolled in $15 in extra bucks once again. That left my subtotal at $3.34, and then I did get back the $15 in extra bucks. So that transaction ended up costing us $3.34. So everything we've gotten so far has cost us a whopping $2, which I think is pretty awesome. So now let's see what else we can grab. The next thing I want to test real quick is this deal on the Pampers Wipes. So if you have this $2 CVS coupon that is for like the bigger wipes, I think it is attaching to these $2.99 wipes. Ooh, they don't have the ones that are $4.79. Y'all know I always like to grab the stuff that's more expensive when I can, but we're gonna grab one of these packs for $3.79 and see if we can grab them for 99 cents with that coupon. All right, you guys, so that did work with the Pampers Wipes. That's a good little situation if you have that CVS coupon. I know not everyone will, but if you do, you can grab those for super cheap if you need them. Now we're gonna get into the spend 30, get 10. So the first thing I'm gonna grab is these Herbal Essences Bio Renew. Now this deal would be $1 cheaper if I could grab some of the Pantene, because we have a 5 off of 3 digital for the Pantene, but I've already used that digital. So I'm gonna go ahead and just grab some of the Herbal Essences. These are 2 for $12, and I'm gonna be using the 4 off of 2 digital coupon. The next thing I'm going to grab is one of these Big Daddy Downies. So these are the 103-ounce liquids. They are $12.99. We have a $2 digital coupon. If you don't want the Downy, you can also grab one of these Big Daddy Tides. So these are $12.99, and we do have a $2 digital for these as well. So to finish my deal, I'm going to grab one of these Tide Pods. These are $5.49. We're going to use our $1 digital coupon. All right, you guys, so this is my complete spend 30 deal. This totals up to $30.48. We're going to use the 4 off of 2 digital, $2 digital, and the $1 digital. That is going to leave us at $23.48, and then getting back a $10 extra buck, making it $13.48 for all of these items. But of course, with this deal, you want to add in like a 6 off of 30, an 8 off of 40, a 5 off of 30, something to bring that cost down. If you pick up the Pantene and add in a 6 off of 30 in this deal, you can save an additional $7, making all 4 of these items just $6.38. I'm also going to do this Blue Diamond almond deal again. So the cheapest way to do this is with 2 of the extremes. These are 2 for $6. We have $1.50 Ibotta rebate on the extremes. I also have $1.25 back on the coupons app for the extremes as well. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up one of the extremes and one of the honey roasted. These are 2 for $6. Let me show you my breakdown. All right, you guys, so we're gonna grab 2 of these for $6. For this baby right here, we're gonna get back $2.75, $1.25 from the coupons app, and then $1.50 from Ibotta. So that's gonna bring our cost for both down to just $3.25. But we're also gonna be submitting back for $5 in cash back via a Visa card for these 2 as well. The honey roasted flavor is also included in that rebate, so I'm gonna grab one of those. So we're gonna get back $5. That's gonna make these 2 not only free, but $1.75 moneymaker. Now this could be a bigger moneymaker had I picked up 2 of these, but we really like the honey roasted as well. The next thing I'm gonna grab is one of these insect bite products. So you could grab this Chicorex for $5.99, get back $5 for picking it up, makes it 99 cents, no coupons required. Instead, I'm gonna grab the Sting Kill. This is $6.29. We're gonna get back $5, makes it $1.29, no coupons required. I'm also going to grab my freebies while I'm here. So I have a free beauty gift. I got a lot of questions about this free beauty gift. This is for the beauty club. So when you spend $30 in participating products in the beauty club, you get back a free gift. So my free gift that I'm picking is these Skunsies hair ties. So these are $3.89 or $4.69 depending on which ones you pick up, and they will be free with that coupon. I'm actually going to get this bigger pack right here, this 32 count, because it is also included. The next thing I'm going to grab is my free item for today that everyone is getting, the free items that you can find in the app. Today it is the sparkling water. These are also buy 2 get the 3rd one free, so you could technically pick up 3 of these and only pay for 1 because you get 1 free with the sale, 1 free with your coupon, and then you would pay for the 3rd one. I don't really like their sparkling water like that, so I'm just gonna grab my free one. And these over here that are actually $1.49, and these cuter bottles are attaching to that coupon as well. So I'm gonna grab one of these and see if I like these better than those. All right, you guys, so we're gonna go up and check out again. We're gonna do our spend 30, our almonds, the Sting Kill, and our freebies. Let's see how this next deal goes. All right, you guys, so this is our complete CBS haul for today. Let me show you how our last transaction went. So there is the herbal essences, there's our Blue Diamond almonds, there is the Tide and the Downy that we got, there is our free water, the Sting Kill, and then the free beauty items. So all of our digitals came off, the herbal essences, the Downy, the Tide pods, and then we used a total of $27 in extra bucks and an 8 off of 40 in this deal. I paid 77 cents after rolling out that $27, and then I did get back a total of $15 today. We got 10 for the spend 30 and 5 for the Sting Kill. But of course, that is not the end of our money for that transaction. We got $5 coming back for the Blue Diamond almond rebate, and we also have $2.75 in rebates for the Blue Diamonds. We got $1.50 from Ibotta and then $1.25 from the coupons app. So that is a total back of $22.75 after we spent out $27.77. That final transaction was a total of $5.02. All right, you guys. So this was a pretty good day at CVS, if you ask me. I think we spent about $7 or $8 today. I'll put up the exact amount up on the screen. But for everything that we got, this is over $100 worth of product. I think we did doggone good, especially using all digital coupons. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here, and follow me on Instagram if you don't follow me over there, because I post deals all the time there that I don't have time to get to here. As always, you guys, I appreciate you watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.